So have your baby looking at you, and again, this one's a really nice one to do if they've got a little bit of a cold and they've got a little bit of mucus. Again, remember to put some more oil onto your hands, rub your hands together, and you're just going to gently place your thumbs on the forehead and just stretch, starting in the centre, stretch out to the sides, to the top of the ears, and repeat it again. So always stretching out to the sides, and again what you're doing is stretching and getting rid of any toxins in the blood into the lymph nodes, which are situated by the ears. And this one's really nice for eye contact. I'm just going to gently move down the face, so over the eyebrows. And then starting from the bridge of the nose, under the eyes as well. And again, all of these are really good for dispersing mucus. And keep remembering to smile at your baby. And lots of eye contact. And then what we're going to do is move down to sort of under the nose at the top of the mouth. Again, 2 fingers, just stretch out across the cheeks to the ears. This one can be really good for teething. It can also be really good to help with their muscle control around the mouth area, especially prior to weaning, and it can help with early talking skills and mouth control as well. And then moving down to the bottom of the mouth, so under the bottom lip. And again, stretching out towards the ears. And then moving from the chin, so the bottom of the chin, across the jawline, right the way to the ears. And then we're just going to move to the top of the head. So you might want to lift their bodies up a little bit. And this first one is called shampooing. You're going to start at the crown and just do little tiny circles, supporting their neck and their heads all the time. Right the way round the head, all the way to the back of the head, round the ears, and then round to the front of the forehead. This one can be really good to help sort of massage, can help with things like cradle cap, massaging oil into the scalp. It can help with hair growth and things as well. It's quite a nice relaxing one to do before bed, especially when you sort of go over the eyebrows and the top of the head. It can help to stimulate that sleep hormone as well, and make them feel tired. And then the last one we're going to do, you're just going to place the palm of your hand with your fingers spreading over to the back of the head, and you're just going to make a circular wrist action. So your fingers massaging around the back of the head and your palm is coming around the forehead. Sort of a big circular wrist action, again supporting their head all the time. And again, this one is really good for stimulating that sleep hormone as well. And again, do it however often or however many times your baby is sort of happy.